Time to get started. Emergencies can happen in all sorts of driving situations. The question is, will you know what to do if you find yourself in one? That's what you're here to learn. So watch the video introduction to this course to get started. You never know what's going to turn up on the road ahead. It might be something small, but it might be really big. Either way, you've got to know how to avoid a crash. All drivers, even the most experienced ones, are bound to face emergency situations at some point. If you apply all your best hazard perception and defensive driving skills, most of the time you can avoid emergencies. When the worst happens, you have only a split second to react, so the correct response better be second nature. That's why every professional driver needs to develop and refine evasive driving skills. You may know how to handle your rig when everything's going well, but to be a master driver, you've also got to know what to do during an emergency. That's why in this course, you'll learn how to prepare yourself and your vehicle so that you'll be as safe as possible if an emergency happens. You'll also learn how to control your vehicle when emergency maneuvers are required. In order to avoid a crash, you need to have a solid understanding of how to locate and use escape routes during situations on the road and while leaving and returning to the road. And finally, you'll learn about skid control and emergency braking.